Hello everyone, I'm back in Dynamics 365 Project Operations, and today I will show you the keyboard shortcuts to use in the Tasks tab. The Tasks tab shows you the WBS or the work breakdown structure of a project. You can see all different tasks in the tree structure, who is assigned, the duration, the start and the end date, and the effort needed to complete the tasks. First, if you select the tasks, it's always easier to select it using the task number. If you press Shift, you will select multiple tasks like in a Windows application. If you use Control, you will select the selected tasks. Then I will Control C or copy the tasks, after which I can just paste them using Control V. I can also copy the tasks using with Control X, after which they are grayed out and I can paste them again. I can also select one task, the top level task. Can copy it and then I can paste it all together. Of course, undo and redo is also available. So if I can choose to press Ctrl Z, it will undo my previous action, or Ctrl Y to redo the previous action. If you're at the beginning of a project, you have to create new task fast. So insert will select a new task above the selected task. If you use the flag icon and the period, an emoji drop-down will let you make your work breakdown structure a bit more visual appealing. So analysis of safety, for example. With the Shift Alt arrows, I can indent the selected tasks or outdent them again to make it a parent or child task. This also works with the multiple tasks selected. Alright, I can also delete a task using the delete button on your keyboard. If you go to the timeline, the dependencies are visualized. So if I select multiple tasks again and press Alt Info, I can choose to make them a subtask in the menu or just use the keyboard shortcut again. If I have one task selected, I can also press Alt E to see the details and to be able to change the details of the task. Now let me create extra dependencies. So if I select two tasks and press Ctrl F2, I have added the dependencies. If I use Ctrl Shift F2, I can remove them again. So that's all the keyboard shortcuts I have found so far.